How to change your address or location on PayPal application. Are you guys facing issues to change your address on PayPal? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open PayPal on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see a profile icon. Click on it. After you click on it, now tap on personal info. You can see multiple options over here. Just simply tap on addresses. After you click on it, you will be forwarded to the section. Just simply tap on edit, or if you want to add another address, tap on add new and write down the address according to preference. Once you write it down, tap on save. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna add or edit address on PayPal application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you guys have any issues regarding PayPal, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.